Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're bringing you another super easy mocktail recipe. In today's video we'll be sharing with you the tropical ale mocktail recipe. Now in my shaker I'm going to go in with some ice. Next, I'm going to go in with some orange juice, some pineapple juice, some mango juice, and some freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm also going to be adding simple syrup. Next, I'm going to give this a good shake. Next, I'm going to fill my glass with some ice. And then I'll strain my drink. Next thing I'm going to do is to top off with some ginger ale. You'll be needing about 60 ml, between 30 to 60 ml ginger ale. I'll just go ahead and garnish with an orange wedge. I'll go in with my straw. So here you have it guys, your tropical ale mocktail. Would you be giving this recipe a try? Please let us know in the comment section down below. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.